Aspiring entrepreneurs are the driving force behind innovation, economic growth, and societal progress. These ambitious individuals possess a unique blend of creativity, determination, and a willingness to take risks in pursuit of their dreams. Today, in this video, we are sharing 15 profitable business ideas for aspiring entrepreneurs. Number 1. Vertical farming. Utilize vertical space to grow crops indoors using hydroponics or aeroponics systems, providing locally grown produce all year round. Number 2. Mobile app for local tours. Develop an app that provides immersive, audio-guided tours for lesser-known attractions in your city, offering tourists a unique experience off the beaten path. Number 3. Sustainable fashion rental services. Launch a platform where customers can rent high-end clothing and accessories instead of buying them, reducing waste while still enjoying stylish outfits. Number 4. Utilize interior design consultancy. Provide online consultations where clients can upload pictures of their space and receive professional advice on how to transform it into their dream home without the hassle of traditional interior design processes. Number 5. Eco-friendly subscription boxes. Create monthly subscription boxes filled with sustainable products like organic food items, reusable household goods, or eco-conscious personal care products. Number 6. Adventure travel planning agency. Create unforgettable adventure vacations by organizing customized trips focused on activities like hiking remote trails or exploring untouched natural wonders. Number 7. Unique event planning services. Design themed events that incorporate interactive elements such as mystery-solving games, treasure hunts, or live performances to make celebrations truly memorable experience. Number 8. Customized fitness equipment manufacturing. Cater to fitness enthusiasts by producing personalized workout equipment based on individuals' preferences and physical requirements. Number 9. Art therapy workshops for corporate wellness programs. Organize art therapy sessions aimed at helping employees reduce stress levels and enhance creativity in the workplace environment through engaging artistic activities. Number 10. Subscription-based plant delivery services with care tips included. Deliver low-maintenance indoor plants along with detailed care instructions so even those without green thumbs can enjoy the benefits of household plants effortlessly. Number 11. Specialized language learning courses for travelers. Offer short-term language courses tailored specifically to common phrases needed while traveling abroad, enabling individuals to communicate effectively during their vacations or business trips quickly. Number 12. Creative children's book publishing. Create an interactive children's book that incorporate augmented reality or innovative storytelling techniques, providing a unique experience for the kids. Number 13. Custom-made natural skincare products. Develop personalized skincare lines using organic ingredients, allowing customers to choose their preferred scents and formulations based on their specific skin needs. Number 14. Virtual personal shopping service. Assist busy individuals in curating their wardrobes by offering virtual consultation services with you, suggesting and sourcing clothing items tailored to each client's style preference and budget. And number 15. Drone photography and videography services. Provide professional aerial photography and videography for real estate agencies, event organizers, or travel companies looking to capture stunning views from above. Remember, the key to success is not only identifying a unique business idea, but also executing it with passion, diligence, and excellent customer service. Good luck.